started as a routine patrol on US 64 when a car came speeding down the highway at 105 miles per hour in a 55 zone. The officer activated his lights, expecting the driver to pull over, but instead of slowing down for good, the driver hit the gas, turning the highway into his personal racetrack.
Down fleet 1037, 64 westbound. 11 David X-ray with Henry.
Now returning to Malone accurate.
We're coming up on the Vesk. 11 David X-ray with Henry. 11 David X-ray with Henry.
As the chase continued westbound, the suspect passed cars recklessly, forcing one off the road and hitting speeds in the triple digits. Even after a tactical vehicle intervention left the patrol car damaged, the officer stayed in pursuit. The driver wasn't giving up, and neither was law enforcement.
We'll see if I get a chance. I'm on TV now. He's driving crazy. He just brake checked, man. I'm not rear-ended him, but we're still going. Alright, he just crashed into me. We're coming up to the Vesk.
With more units blocking intersections to protect the public, the suspect ignored all obstacles, narrowly missing a tractor pulling farm equipment. His reckless behavior made him a serious threat, and it wasn't long before the officer attempted a second maneuver to bring the chase to an end.
He's going in the wrong lane of traffic. Coming up here between you, right here. I've got cross county units with me, they're trying to box him. We're still going westbound, coming through the city here in front of Walmart.
Westbound my Walmart.
I'm secondary right now.
Secondary.
Watch this intersection right here. Slow down, slow down. We're still going westbound. We're still westbound. 64.
So westbound on the vehicle.
30 what's your 20?
Just now coming up pretty hard.
Back off him just a little bit. He will slam on his brakes. So he's already done it to me once and I crashed into him.
I'm maxed out. He's starting to run off. So did you notify Woodruff, St. Francis, Owen?
Hey, let me buy you.
Please both are notified always.
Did you try to stay his run? Come around.
64, what's your option? Back up to 130 right now.
Westbound, passenger, 10 feet, 105 plus. She's coming around your county. 10-4. get over. Go ahead.
Finally, the suspect's car spun out and crashed into a ditch, but he wasn't done yet. The driver jumped from his vehicle, sprinting toward an officer. A struggle broke out, and it took multiple officers to bring him down. After a grappling technique, the suspect, identified as Adam Walker, was finally taken into custody.
Okay, we got strangers up ahead, watch out. 10-4.
115 coming up to the Lanka River Basin.
115 coming to Lango River Basin.
Still westbound, speed approximately 130 miles an hour.
There's a Woodruff County deputy set up 5 Highway 64 at Timmy Miller Shop. Still westbound, speed approximately 130 miles an hour.
TBI, TBI, TBI.
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 Force red.
Hey, somebody got cuffs! Grab cuffs! I've got an arm!
Get cuffs, Ethan. Get cuffs. One cuff.
I've got an arm. I've got his other arm.
Look, put these together. Only one driver.
I only saw one. I don't know.
Quit moving.
Cover that car. Cover that car.
With a long list of charges, including aggravated assault and fleeing with reckless disregard for safety, Walker's night ended in handcuffs. His reckless decisions had put many lives at risk, but swift action by the police brought the dangerous chase to a close.
Shut up.